definitely a good road. I liked it.
Yeah, plenty to see.
I like the other one too, but this one was definitely, I thought this one was shorter, but...
It obviously was not, that, or if it is, it's because we drove slower, maybe, I don't know.
Actually, I don't. Look, there's a big old concrete bunker down there. Which way? Oh yeah, I see it now.
Alright, just like that, you cross the river and back into civilization. Well, when you could cross the river. Another car body, along with a bunch of other discarded artifacts from who knows when. What I say when we get back to the trailer, we stop and eat lunch.
Sounds like a plan.
You gotta think that's probably the type vehicle that was being driven through here.
Isn't that amazing?
Right? It's also possible they might have filled this road bed with some dirt or something that has been washed away over the years too. Right, just stopped for lunch and rehooked up the trailer, and now we're heading off to the Mordor Camp meetup location. So, well, gotta stop and get some gas on the way, but
yeah, this road's definitely a good road. I like it.
Yeah, plenty to see.
I like the other one too, but this one was definitely, I thought this one was shorter, but
it obviously was not. That, or if it is, it's because I drove slower, maybe, I don't know.
actually I don't. Look, there's a big old concrete bunker down there.
Which way? Oh yeah, I see it now.
Seems weird.
You want to hike down to it?
Wouldn't hurt nothing.
Alright.
Left turn.
Left turn.
Gates closed.
Gate is closed. Almost looks like some kind of metal box from here.
Gates open.
Gate is open.
Yeah, I think right up here is where we run into private property. So, cross your fingers.
And one set of toes.
Right?
Yeah, looks like the gate is shut, but it doesn't look like it's posted on this side, but it is posted over there.
Okay, yeah, so it's posted on both sides, but not where we're at, so I think we're good. Did you see how I undid it?
Looks like it was just wrapped around a few times.
Yeah, just once, and then the loop goes back over that pipe.
Gate is secured.
They're forward there. Right. T. Wow. Good thing I mapped this thing out pretty good. It's posted like crazy in here.
Right at the T.
And then a right.
And a right.
All right, buddy. We made it. Another day done, buddy.